of measurement. Okay, measurement is very essential for our to know the accuracy length of any of the body. For that we have to measure, not only to the length, to the volume, to the mass, everything. If we know about physical unit of our body, then we have to measure that body. Okay, so without actual measurement we can't take our purchase our cloth also. Correct, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Cloth measurement is also very important. So everything, the measurement is very important factor for our to perform some work. So measurement is an essential need to keep the accuracy in various day-to-day activities. Without actual measurement, we can't able to correct a judgment about the length, area, volume, mass, temperature of any of the given body. Okay. Now, suppose you might have seen to your parents that if they don't have the tape, they are just measuring with the help of your fingers. Right? Right? So that is
Yes,
also what? That is not a correct measurement, but then also it is taken as a overall measurement. Okay, fine. Just rough measurement you can also say. Fine. Now, the next part. About this measurement. So, which line is longer? Line 1 or line 2?
ma'am. Line 2.
Okay. Here, which line is longer? Line 2.
Line 2, ma'am.
Here also line 2 is longer. Now, which has a more juice?
Ma'am, the second one because it's fatter.
Yes. This glass is thinner because of that reason, though the height is more, but the volume of the water here is less, though that the comparatively the other glass is wider, though it is short glass, but the window is wider. So because of that reason, its volume is high as compared to volume 1. So you can see the left one. Do you think? So put your left hand in a bowl of cold water and right hand in the hot water. After a minute, both hands in the bowl of warm water. Okay? Fine. How you will think? Left hand and right hand will be in the bowl with the warm water. Tell me.
I don't know, ma'am.
See, your one hand is already in the which water? Hot water.
Cold.
Another in the cold water. Now, you take after a minute, you take both of your hands in the warm water. The the hot body, that is your hot hand, will become what? Decrease the temperature. But the cold hand will increase your temperature because it is now becoming warmer.
Like,
Wait. Suppose in the hot body, your temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. In
okay.
cold, your temperature has become minus 10 degrees Celsius. Suppose. Now these two hands, we had put it in the warm water. So this hot will become what? 34 because it's not come down. But this cold one has become what? 20 because it gains the heat. Temperature increase because that time it is what? Minus. But now it is what? Positive. Just like ice, you put ice in the warm water, it will melt because
Yes,
its
ma'am.
temperature has increased. So that is about, here we are talking about the temperature difference. Understood? Clear? This experiment tells you the temperature difference. So this is also what? Measurement of temperature.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Just like in the oven, if you bake something in the oven, you should have to put it in the perfect temperature. If temperature is less, cake will not bake. If temperature will be more, cake will burn it out. Correct or not? So temperature also comes under the category of what? Measurement. Right, baby? That's the thing is written here.
Ma'am, you forgot to read one thing in the last page. In that the it is written that the branch of science that deals with measurement is known as metrology.
Where, beta?
Ma'am, over here in the yellowish color,
Yeah. The branch of science that deals with the measurement is known as what? Metrology. This is the important part.
deals with measurement means like
Deals with the measurement. Just like a scale is of 15 centimeter. Why it is not 16? Why it is not 10? Because that scale size we have make it as standardized according to our
ma'am, your voice is
pencil box.
breaking.
I'm saying that according to our this thing, what you say, scale measurement. Okay, according to our pencil box, common pencil box size. Okay, and according to the student's requirement, 15 centimeter is okay, because all pouches, all pencil box is more than 50 centimeter. It is not less than 15 centimeter, right? Because of that reason, they kept a standardized measurement that is a 15 centimeter. So that standardized measurement of every material is deals. Someone is making na. Some person has made this measurement. Yeah, 273 will be your highest measurement when we change from Kelvin to Celsius. When we change from Kelvin to Celsius, it is what we are adding with 273.
Ma'am, why are we adding with 273?
This is a standardized form. Conversion formula. These measurements are what? Standardized measurement that of the person has done the experiment, and according to that experiment, still we are following there. Our scientist has done this. So those who deal with these type of experiments, who uh, uh, deals with the measurements of every body, just like cube. वो क्यूब नहीं होता, रूबिक क्यूब. Rubik cube size, measurement, everything is perfectly matched. Correct? In fact, the size of the color is also same. Correct? Each and every size of the block of the color is also same. So someone has done this standardization. Na? So whoever person deals with these things, that is known as what? Metrology in science. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, this means that we really our senses. Okay, what are our five senses?
Ma'am?
Five senses of our body.
Ma'am, eyes, hearing, hearing, touching, feeling, telling,
You said
hearing,
eyes, baby. Seeing.
hearing, touching, seeing, and smelling,
Thank you for using your nose.
touching, like,
What?
touching.
If I gave you Karela, bitter gourd, will you eat?
What, ma'am?
If I give you bitter gourd, will you eat?
No.
Instead of
My voice is breaking.
I'm saying, beta, if I give you bitter gourd instead of ice cream, will you eat?
No.
Huh? Why?
Ma'am, because bitter gourd is bitter and ice cream is sweet.
So, how do you know that bitter gourd is bitter?
Taste buds.
So, taste is not coming in your five senses.
Coming, Mama said you taste. Mama said you. What, ma'am? Ma'am, I can't hear.
Why you? Here is too cloudy here. Weather is here too worst.
No,
Now,
ma'am,
can
your
you?
voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Oh, that's
Yes,
bad, na? That's bad, na? Now my voice is coming.
yes, ma'am.
Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Now, how you will tell me?
Ma'am, measurement is a comparison of a fixed quantity and an unknown quantity. Um, if someone like in this exam comes like what is unit, so should I say like the fixed quantity in measurement is called unit?
Example, 5 dozen of banana, right? 1 kg of apple. 1 kg is the fixed unit. I have a block of 1 kg. I know in a dozen there will be 12 things are there.
Well,
That's the unit. Dozen is a unit. But how we will compare? Here we are having a fixed unit. Just like you might have seen that you at your home milk is coming with the milkman is bringing a milk or the packets of milk is coming. Which type? Which
ma'am,
type of milk? Packet of milk is coming or the milkman is giving the milk?
ma'am, packet of milk.
So in the packets, if your mom will say, Janvi, go and bring 5 packets of milk or 4 packets of milk, you go and purchase it. She'd forget to told you that you have to purchase half liter of 4 packets.
Half liter of 4 packets.
Yes. Smaller one, 500 ml. 500 ml of milk packet, smaller one. Not the 1 liter of big packet. You, and she has given you the money also. Now, you go to the grocery shop and you said that, uncle, I want big packet of 1 milk because mama didn't told you. Which, how much liter? 1 liter or half liter? 500 ml is what? Half liter.
Half liter.
And 1 liter is how much? 1000 ml.
1000 ml.
You said, uncle, mama doesn't told me I want 1 liter. So this is what your fixed value now. You can't say, uncle, I want little bit of milk. You can't say. If milkman is coming, he is having a what? Measuring, this type of measuring cup is
Measuring
there
cup.
with him. He just don't pour the milk and give it to you. He is having a measuring cup. So in his gallon, that measurement is what? Unknown. But when he measure in the measuring cup, then that is what? Fixed value. That yeah, this measuring cup is what? 1 liter.
Ma'am,
Understood?
can it be like if someone wants to see the height of somebody and the height is an unknown quantity and if we take a measuring tape is the fixed quantity, so if we see the height, so it will
Unknown person height, I don't know what is the height of yours. Right now, for me, it is unknown. Okay. Now I have measured, I will tell, go, Janvi, and stand there. There is a measuring unit of the height, just like giraffe. There are so many measuring scales, different cartoon type measuring scales are there in the market. You just go there and measure your height. That is what fixed value. So measurement is the comparison of your unknown quantity, that is your height, unknown height because you don't know, with the fixed quantity, that is your scale. Of same kind. It doesn't mean that your height is measured with the thermometer. I can't measure your height with a thermometer. Can I?
No. We can
Of same
only.
kind is very important. Understood? And the fixed quantity is known as what? Unit. Okay?
Like the measuring tape is the unit.
And unit is of what? Two types. One is standard international unit, another is centimeter, and for second length ka meter. Centimeter, gram, CGS unit. Another is your CGS unit. This is for length. Length is for centimeter. G is for kg. G is for mass. Mass is for gram. Smaller. And this is time is
In
for
this
second.
also, this book also, over here there is FPS, foot, pound, and seconds, and then CGS,
Foot was.
centimeter,
Okay, CGS
gram.
is there now.
Yes, ma'am. And MKS, meter, kilometer, and second.
SI unit is what? Our for length it is meter. For mass it is kg. Okay, and for time it is second.
Second.
This is the SI unit. And another unit is
Huh?
what? Yeah, say.
हम लोग like why don't we say for meter, why don't we say kilometer, from kilogram why don't we say grams, or seconds why don't we say minutes?
See. Everywhere we are having a standardized unit. That is the SI unit. Standard International. SI is what? Standard International Unit. Understood, beta? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
According to Standard International Unit, all over the world, wherever you will go, for mass you will take it what? Kg. For length it will be what? Meter. For time it will be what? Second. This is the standard way. If you are having a gram, then you have to convert into kg to make it standard form. Because if you go to your grocery shop, you will not say I want 10 gram of rice. Did we say this? But we say I want 10 kg of rice. Because this is a standard form. Understood, ma'am?
Ma'am, when are we gonna, why, when do we use grams?
अभी नहीं खाना सुसु आ रही है 10 सेकंड पापा के लड़की अभी अनिका सुबह से बहुत खाया बेटा पेट में कीड़े हो जाएंगे मैं आपके लिए रख दी हूँ रखा हुआ है कहीं पे वो मैं कल खाओगे प्लीज पहले तुम सुसु करते हो Yeah, sorry, beta. So, what was the question? When you go to your gold shop, you will not say, I want 10 kg of gold. Will you say? Will you? Tanvi, will you say, I want 10 kg of gold? I want 10 gram of gold, whose cost is around 60,000 rupees. Understood? अब क्या करूं? मुंह बंद रखो। नहीं मुंह बंद रखो, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही हूँ। Now you will please rejoin. Now time is going to be over.